Well, we've got some very dense fog in Spokane. It's all over downtown and out in Airway Heights. Visibility down near zero, pretty widespread. But you move over to Coeur d'Alene, it's a wildly different story. In fact, you're not even in that dense fog advisory over in Coeur d'Alene, but we are here in town. Spokane out to Airway Heights, looking at some very bad visibility. Coeur d'Alene about 1.5 miles, still above that criteria for the dense fog advisory, when actually about 3/4 mile. The dense fog advisory really stretches from Spokane down toward Ritzville, out near Ephrata, and then down into the Palouse. You're going to find pockets of that very dense fog. Spokane just so happens to be one of those pockets. Visibility down below 1/4 mile in Ellensburg and Yakima yet again, and temperatures pretty close to freezing this morning. We're just above it in Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, Deer Park, and Sandpoint this morning. And with all this low atmospheric moisture, I don't think we change all that much in terms of temperatures. That's both right now and later on today. In fact, our high temperatures are only a few degrees warmer than where we currently sit because of just how much moisture exists in the atmosphere. For now, that's fog. But as we move through the day and the fog lifts, it's basically going to feel like a cloud sitting on top of you all day. It's going to be that kind of gloomy. We just got too much moisture yesterday to even think about seeing sun today. Here comes our incoming storm. Notice by about 10 p.m. it moves into the state, and by about midnight it hits us here in the inland northwest. You're going to wake up to a little bit of snow if you rise nice and early. But if you get up, say, 6, 7 a.m., it's already transitioning over to rain as we get that push of warmer air. And after that, it's rain through the day and rain through the morning commute. So what I think you wind up getting is a very sloppy start to your day. It's going to be that kind of one where you wear rain boots or something because it's going to be gross. It winds up working its way out, and what we get is more snow across much of the inland northwest. That's off to the north and in higher elevations. In Spokane, we're a bit of a wintry mix, and out in places like Moses Lake, you have the potential for some of that freezing rain. So just know that that is a big possibility as we move through the night and get into tomorrow morning. Eventually that does transition over to rain, but you could very well be waking up to some very slick roads. And I think Snoqualmie Pass could potentially be facing some of the worst of this with more than 1/10 of an inch of ice. So just know mountain passes in every direction starting tonight are going to be nasty. We've got fog today and it is gloomy all day long. Snow tonight, rain tomorrow. And then we should start drying out, but it's once again going to be that foggy, freezing, warm cycle as we head into the weekend.